Test 55C is the water valve test. This test will require that the ice bucket and ice maker cover be removed prior to entering this test. Touch the on-off key to start the test. If the mold is in the fill position, the ice maker controller will drive the ice mold to the freeze position. During the travel, the test ID flashes on the fresh food display. After the ice mold arrives to the freeze position, or if the mold was already in the freeze position, the test ID stops flashing and the ice maker will turn on the green ice maker water valve and the brown primary water valve for a duration of 4 seconds. If the mold fails to reach the left-hand side, go to Test 63C Motor Test. Water can be dispensed into a 4-ounce cup placed or held under the ice maker water spout. Only one water dispensing 4-second cycle is allowed after the test has started. Additional on-off key activations are ignored. If retesting is needed, exit 55C and re-enter. When diagnosing during the test, if the water dispensed and provided a normal volume, then the water fill is in a good working condition. If it did not dispense any water, verify that water is being supplied to the unit. Then verify the connections are properly made to all 3 water valves. If the unit is still not dispensing water, insert voltmeter probes into the brown connector at the water valve and re-enter Test 55C. When the test is activated, look for approximately 65 volts AC. Repeat tests with the green connector and look for 110 volts AC. Power will only be applied for 4 seconds. If there is proper voltage and/or if the test dispensed a small amount of water, look for signs of water leakage. Next, verify water pressure to the unit is greater than 30 psi and does not exceed 100 psi. Remove the left-hand door hinge cover and the filter housing located in the left-hand Perfect Temp drawer support rail. Inspect all water lines for damage. And make sure the filler just above the ice maker is not frozen. If no other problems are found, replace the water valve assembly and re-enter Test 55C. If there is no proper voltage at the water valve assembly, re-enter Test 55C and look for 110 volts AC across pins 1 and 12 on the J4 connection on the ice maker board. The voltage will only be present for 4 seconds. If voltage is incorrect, replace the board. If voltage is correct, check the harness continuity from the ice maker board J4-1 to the yellow wire on the green valve and the yellow tan wire at the tan valve. The harness to the tan valve contains a diode, which prevents normal continuity check. You must look for a high resistance value. And probe polarity matters. If at first you don't see a resistance, reverse the probe leads. Also check the main control board J1-8 to the light blue wire at the green valve and at the tan valve. If the resistance check is not normal, replace the diode. Re-enter Test 55C to confirm normal operation.